Good morning, engineers. It's Mrs. Vandermissen. Welcome to Tuesday. I wanted to let you know, you might have already heard this, but I am out this week. I am being both a student and a teacher. So I wanted to provide video introductions for each day so that you knew what I had planned for the week and what the expectations were for each day. Let's start by looking at our usual weekly calendar. Today is Tuesday, day 6, and we've got a couple of things planned. I'm going to have you go ahead and turn in the Defend the Design slides for those excellent presentations that you did last Friday. They really wowed everybody, and I hope a few of you got to catch the section on the Channel 13 news. It was excellent. So go ahead and one member from each team turn in those slides. And then we're also going to do a notebook check for your detailed design, which we had delayed to this week. And I would like to have you include as many of those detailed design drawings as you can. And that's probably going to be the bulk of your work today. Let me take a look at the rest of the week with you, and then we'll pop over to Schoology and look at today's specific assignments. Okay, so we were out of class yesterday on Monday, and we will be out of class again on Friday. On that second set of long block days. Tomorrow we will be doing an implementation prep day, and then on Thursday we'll be loading those 3D print files onto SD cards that I'm going to provide for you, along with some very specific details on how to prep those cards with the files and instructions for printing. Okay, so for today, let's look at these assignments over in Schoology. I'll hop over there. Okay, so you can see on the sidebar, we've got two things. It's actually listed lower. I don't know why it does that, but we've got the slides turn in for the Defend the Design slides from Friday. Just go ahead and turn those right in so we have a record of those. And then the second turn in for today is the one that will take the most of your time in class. So this is the detailed design. And I know most of you did a great discussion of that on Friday and referred to some of the technical drawings. What I want you to do as best you can is to print and include in your design notebook representative drawings that you have at the present time. Some of you may have part of that already printed, but this is for your help, your benefit, for the record of what we've got right now today. Every detailed design drawing that you have downloaded or that you have in Autodesk, go ahead and create PDFs. Send those to the printer. Remember, when you send it to the printer, it's going to blink that orange light at you. You have to click the green button twice to get it to dump the prints. Anyway, so get as many of those drawings as you can printed in your design notebook. And then today's task is a design notebook check for detailed design, including technical design drawings. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any extra time, which I doubt you will, you can use it for personal homework. And then tomorrow we'll get started preparing the files for printing. Have a great day, and I'll talk with you tomorrow.